If you're going to buy that $100,000 property and you're going to buy it for 50 grand, then the bank will say, we'll give you the 50 grand to buy the house. We'll give you the 20 grand you need to fix it up, as long as you bring a 15% down payment. So your down payment is 15% of that 50 grand. And they'll give you the money to buy it, 85% of the money to buy it, and 100% of the money to renovate it, which means you don't have to find the money to renovate the property. And then you can renovate that property and then monetize it, pay off the bank, you keep the difference. What's cool, the other thing that's cool about small local banks is that down payment, that 15% down payment, doesn't have to be your money. So if you try to buy an investment property on a conventional loan, you're not going to get money to renovate it. You're going to have to go find that money to renovate it on your own. You're going to have to put down 20%, and that 20% is going to have to be your money out of your bank account. Have you ever tried to borrow money for a down payment on a conventional loan? Anybody that's bought a house on a conventional loan or an FHA loan? It is extremely difficult. They're going to want that money to have sat in your personal bank account 30 days to 60 or 90 days, 60 days. Yeah. So that money needs to be in your account. So you got to borrow it and it's got to sit there for a long time. If it's not going to sit there long enough, then they want a note from whoever's lending it to you about why they're lending it to you. And they're going to call your cousin and your uncle and the president and figure out, like, is this all legit? But with a small local bank, they don't care where your down payment comes from. Obviously they don't, because they said, we'll give you a line of credit on a property we already have a loan from you for, and then you can use that line of credit as your down payment. And so I was able to get deals 100% financed, none of my own money.